Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here and I'm back sharing another DIY with you guys. Thank you for stopping in. Thank you to my returning subscribers. I appreciate all the love and support, and if you are new to this channel, go ahead guys and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate you joining my family. In this video guys, I'll be showing you how I created two beautiful and simple DIYs using an old lamp that I had. I upcycled it, turned it into a candle stand, and also using a vase and a few items that I had around the house to create a beautiful candle holder. So here I've got my lamp. As you can see, it's broken. It cannot be used, so instead of chucking it, I decided to upcycle it. And I've got also these place card holders, I think they're called, and I'm using those as well, my E6000, and I've also got a little candle plate here that I'm going to be using for this DIY as well. So these are the items I'll be using, and if you just keep watching guys, you'll see how I created these simple DIYs using things that I have around my house, and I was just upcycling things that I already have. Thank you all very much for your love and support. Keep watching, and thank you very much. Have a lovely day guys, and be blessed. So moving on to my next DIY, I'll be using this clear vase and also this gold cap that I had. I'll just be using my hot glue gun to glue them all together. Also to this gold cap, I'll be using these vase fillers, these glass beads, to give it some details. So keep watching guys and you'll see how I've done this. Here is my finished product, guys. I enjoyed doing this DIY and I enjoyed sharing it with you guys. It is very good to upcycle items that you have around the house that you're about to throw away, and look how beautiful this turned out. I am absolutely loving it. This old lamp that I was about to throw away turned into a beautiful candle stand, and also this cap that I had from a spray can, I think, and a vase that I had with some glass beads turned into a beautiful candle holder. I really love these items. I think they turned out so beautifully and I hope you guys did also. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you are new. Thank you all very much. Have a lovely day guys and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.